Here I have NOKIA G10, and today I'm going to show you how to transfer files from the internal storage to the SD card on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open the Files application. Then, for example, you have to pick what you want to transfer. It could be like images, videos, audio, documents, apps. So I'm just going to transfer an image. Let's transfer, for example, this one and this one. Then you tap here and tap move to or copy to, depends on which one you like. I'm going to copy these images and then just tap copy to SD card, and after a few seconds they will be copied to the SD card, and now we can find them here in the download folder, and here they are. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.